Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Suraj Talks English. In this video, I'm going to clarify the confusion between can and could. As we know that most of the English learners, in their initial stage or intermediate stage, they confuse about when should they use can and when should they use could. So in this video, I'm going to clarify the confusion between can and could. When should we use and when should we use could and can and could. So without further delay, let's dive into the video. Can. Can is used for present abilities and permission. For example, I can go outside. I can walk. I can speak French. So this shows abilities, right? And permissions. Can I come with you? Can I go outside? So these are permissions we can ask. So we use can for present abilities and permissions. One thing you must remember here, you are asking permissions with your to your boss or with your elder ones. So then don't use can, because can is used for only casual way. Can is used for only casual way, so don't use in the informal way. So it can is not used for formal way. All right guys. So and could is used for past abilities and permissions and requests, polite requests. For example, I could swim when I was a kid. So this shows my past abilities. And let's see another example. I could run 2 miles when I was a kid. So these are my past abilities, right? So when you have to showcase your past abilities, then you happily use could. And I also said that polite requests. We use could for polite requests. For example, could you please move aside? Could you please lend me your charger? Right? Could you please pass me the salt? So could is used for polite requests. I hope you guys understood it. So let me review it very quickly. Can and could. Can is used for present abilities or permission, and could is used for past abilities or polite requests. Okay. So I hope you guys understood it. So let me know in the comment box. Type if you understood it. Type in the comment box I understood it. So yes guys, I hope you understood it very well. So thank you for your precious time. uh, you know let's meet another video. Bye guys.